This is the best technology 10-tank Type 3 titanium anodizing line, which is also referred to as a titanium color anodizing line. This particular system was built with a right-to-left workflow, because every system we fabricate is designed around your process, your specific application. We can adjust the direction of flow within a system to whatever best fits your process. Tank number 1 is a cleaner tank. Tank number 2 is a cold DI water overflow rinse tank. Tank number 3 is a hot DI water overflow rinse tank. Tank number 4 is an anodizing prep tank. Tank number 5 is a cold DI water overflow rinse tank. Tank number 6 is a neutralization dip tank, followed by another cold DI water overflow rinse tank in tank 7. Tank number 8 is the anodizing process tank. You can see the safety cover here that's included because of the high electrical voltages and currents involved in the process. Tank number 9 is another cold DI water overflow rinse tank, followed by tank number 10, a hot DI water overflow rinse tank. By heating the final rinse, parts will naturally dry faster and save the customer time. Here along the back you can see the various plumbing connections, as well as electrical connections. And here towards the end, connections for your blower system, to be able to exhaust any fumes from the line. This is the best technology Type 3 titanium color anodize line.